Hi guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. And since I posted the last video, which was 2-minute tips on how to use reactive foils, there were a lot of queries you guys had on, you guys DM'd me. There were a lot of comments on Craft Angles and Crafted pages, as well as a few of them also DM'd us on Insta pages of Crafted and Craft Angles. So I thought, I will make a video where I'll show you the foiling with three different foils, and at the back I will also answer all those queries that I received, so that everything is in one place for you to check out. Now, what are laser printouts? Essentially, there are two kinds of printing that happen whenever you go out in a market, or even if you are in market to buy a printer. Now, one is inkjet printing, which is your water soluble ink. So if you print anything via inkjet printing, and if you put water on top of it, or if let's say your hands are wet and you smear it, then the ink will get smeared because it is water reactive. What is laser printing? Laser printing is another type of printing where everything is non-water reactive, meaning it is permanent once it's printed. Now, if you go in market to get a laser printing done, which is what you will need for reactive foils to work, what happens is that there are many, like you could say, if you go to a stationery shop, there are many varieties of it. The most common one is the ink which they use for, if you remember, if you have ever photocopied your assignments in college, etc., then there is something called as Xerox machines. So similar to Xerox machine, you get that kind of print, which is very light. So the black is technically almost dark grayish color. It's not black, so that kind of printer won't work again, because even though it is laser, the quality of toner is so bad that technically it is not going to work with your foil. It's just not water reactive. That's the only difference between that and inkjet, and that will not work. So if you are going, let's say in a market to get a printing done, and if such kind of case happens, ask them to print it through a professional laser printer. And if you feel that the black is not prominent, then tell them that I want colored printout in black color. That will give you a very dark black print, which then you'll be able to use. Now, here is one of the don'ts that I wanted to show you. Do you see that in Love Story and But Hours, there was more things that stuck rather than, so the T part is also stuck and things like that. So wherever there was white part, also some of the things got stuck. Now that is because this quality printing that we did. By the way, the sheet that I'm showing you, Happy Birthday, Love Story, and all those all sheets are available to download for free. And you can also print them and use them with reactive foils. I'll link that down below for you guys. It's available on crafted handmade.com website. So you can check it out. And you can directly, once you add it in your cart, place order for 0 rupees. You will be able to download it on your machine and then use it. So do you see over here VT hours is not perfectly come? That is because the foil went into the white part. Now, why did that happen? That is because my printing was super crisp. So you'll have to do one or two trials with a printer, before you finalize it or anything. So this printer from which I get printed is a professional grade, like super professional grade printer from where I get printed. And the ink in it is super reactive. So what happened was that when I passed it through second time, since the laminator was so hot, even the areas which did not have toner, the white areas, there also the foil got stuck. Now it is very simple to remove that. If I just rub my hand through it, wherever that extra part got stuck to the white area, it will get removed. So it is not an issue. But I just wanted to show you, that happens if your quality of ink is too good. So that may happen. So now you see that I passed it only once. And you can see the crisp image I got just by passing it once. Now, if I'm using my own personal printer, so I have a regular office printer. Again, I'll link it down below for you guys. So I will be showing that sample of that personal printer at the end. However, what happens is that that personal printer is very similar to what I told you, right? The stationary ones. So there was no option in that personal printer to make the toner dark or, to make black more prominent. So there is only one setting of black that I get on my personal printer. And that is why there was not 100% coverage as you will see over here. The ones which I got professionally printed and I'm scanning right now. So, it is very important the kind of printing that you get done. You need to get it done from a good place which are doing it professionally and get if you feel that the black is coming very light and grayish and that is the only stationery shop in your area who does printing, then ask them to do a colored printout. So normally that colored printout is 5 rupees, 10 rupees. That is more expensive. The black and white I think is 1 rupees, 2 rupees, something like that. And that colored printout will 90% work because you're effectively putting out more toner on the page which will then react with the foils to give you a crisp foiling. Now these craft angles foils, as I have mentioned, comes in a roll of 6 inches by 120 inches and there are currently 10 colors, and trust me guys when I tell you they are selling out like crazy. Now in this particular case you can see in my top tier there was an issue. Why that happened was because since I was working with my left hand as I'm shooting with my right hand, that is why you can see the video is bit shaky because my studio is still not ready and that is why I am taking it through my hand and camera. So what happened was some foil got wrinkled and that is why I did not get crisp image. So make sure between your sandwich when you put a foil it is not wrinkled. That is also a don't. Now here I'm showing you some of the free downloadables that we have, and these are all the designs that you can directly use. Now these are all sized as an A2 card, so all you have to do is simply print them in a good quality printer as we spoke, that is very important, and use them in your cards after foiling. Now this is my personal printer where I printed this design and you can see the coverage is not 100%. That is because as I said, I could not control the toner and that is why the image was not very crisp and hence I could not foil it. Now later on I'll be showing you these designs as well when they are professionally printed and what a difference it makes. So that was the video for today, guys. Some of the do's and don'ts and what is laser printer and what you should do to improve the quality, etc. I hope you found this video useful. And also just to let you know that the sale is on where you can buy these craft angles reactive foils at flat 20% off. There are only last 2 days of sale left for today. You can use coupon code UC India on www.handmade.com. Again, I link down everything below for you. But if you want to buy them at flat 20% off, today and tomorrow is the last day of the sale, then it's getting over. And trust me, guys, we are almost sold out on these golden foils. We got sold out thrice on many colors and we have restocked them, but now we are almost getting completely stocked out again. So if you want to buy, here is your chance. And yeah, if you like my videos, do subscribe, like and comment. If you have any more queries, do let me know. I'll probably try and make another video if there are many questions from your side. And I'll be back next week with another video. Till then, please take care. Bye-bye.